I wasn't always like this, you know, the life I live, doing what I love, building a business with my friend. Yo guys, what's up? Good afternoon. My name's Shalom. Side is over there. So we're at S.O.L. We're supposed to help Andrew film something. It's a school project. Guys, the architecture on this side of Woodstock is pretty awesome. It's so lit.
Pretty artistic.
It's pretty lit. Like, look at where we're going. Cinematics.
Feel alive in the night. Rubber to the system, I'ma die 25. But looking at me different, I deny to confine. Cause I'm not a description of the life they define. Free minds, hit the blunt, and I'm shedding light to the blind. So they can see the future with the eye for sight.
This place is called the Woodstock Exchange. That's where this guy's school is. But it's like up there on the, if you saw the cinematics or so, it's up there. Can't wait to see what we're gonna do here.
On the 3rd floor.
Upstairs.
Yo, it is me at S.O.L with a bunch of cars and another Mars.
What are you doing, bro?
Yeah, I don't know. We're about to start shooting and we're actors today.
And come to realization that the God is divine. If the world is like a ball without a soul, if I was on the other side, I'm out of sight, come multiply with this one.
Damn, that is loud. I don't know what is happening there in the back, but so we have to reenact this scene from the movie Fight Club. And that's what we're doing, guys. How can I fix this? It's all up in my face. I want it out there. Maybe I need to tie it. Let me know if you guys want me to tie my hair. Shout out my mucus. Hey, water, wet.
You can't be serious about this.
What a ridiculous thing to say.
I can't let you
Go through with this? What are you going to do?
I'm going to
Stop me?
Formula of life, I'm not obliged to live like many of your niggas. Cause in my mind I'm the god, not pretending through the elders. Be flying like propellers, they trying to cut my feathers. I'll try taking it feather, like futuristic panthers. Meta, fuck the platters, would never for the brave arm. Ether, my grey matter, can mess around.
Yo guys, so just finish up wrapping up. We finished helping these guys. You introduce yourself, man.
Hi, I'm Shalom.
Shalom.
I'm Allison.
And Allison. And you've met him before a couple of times. We're helping these guys. It was pretty amazing. It was lit, guys. Check them out.
The weather, so let my shift the rain. Angel dust got me feeling like I believing on some fantasy. Please don't take it away. I'll be seeing stars on my mind like I'm floating in a galaxy. There's a sexy lady in the car, and she whispered to me that she wants some drugs, and I woke up laying by the sea. Feel alive in the night. I've been getting wasted and I think I've lost my mind. Yeah, all these women looking pretty, glitters on their faces. I've been getting wasted and I think I've lost my mind. Yeah, all these women looking pretty, glitters on their faces. I wrote the shit when I was high, I don't feel bad about it. I smoked a lot and talked about every time I got a problem. Mama told me don't do drugs, but I'm addicted to this music. If I quit, I'll probably die without it. I see they hating, they acting shady, but every time I hear me on speakers, I feel amazing. Thank God this shit a blessing, valuable lessons. And growing up can be a bitch, but I ain't perfect, I am just.
Yo vlog, change of scenery. We are at UCT now. Look at the city in the back. I just farted right up here and I think the wind blew it out there in the trees. It was the greatest thing ever. Yo, shout out to my fart. So we're filming a video for the other channel. It's our story video. Yeah, I spoke about it in one of the other vlogs, like how people was asking us what we do, why we do what we do, and we're gonna explain that in a video. I think I'll put a clip for you guys just now.
About 2 years ago, we moved from Zambia to Cape Town, where we are right now, with like hopes of being the best and the most awesome people, just like everyone else does.
But then we quickly realized we were nobodies and it started eating us up inside for almost a year. Yo guys, it's a little windy, but that won't stop us because we have that. Look how I use the guys. Hey. I don't think they can hear you. Vlog. Can you hear Sadie?
I said I'm the sound guy. Call me the sound guy. Alright, so we're done. Wrapping up. There's those guys not in focus. We're heading out now.
I wrote the shit when I was high, I don't feel bad about it. I smoked a lot and talked about every time I got a problem. Mama told me don't do drugs, but I'm addicted to this music. If I quit, I'll probably die without it. I see they hating, they acting shady, but every time I hear me on speakers, I feel amazing.
Check out my skills, guys. Look at these waves. See? Looks like I'm doing nothing, huh? See that? See that? Oh, you see that?
Valuable lessons. And growing up can be a bitch, but I am perfect. I am just another fucked up.
Yo, guys, I swear, there's aliens that go on top of that mountain. Look at it now. There's literally a round cloud on top of it in the shape of a spaceship. I'm not nuts, guys, but that. Look at it.
Human on the road, getting high, trying to get it on the low. Remember when I used to kick you with my girl? She told me my mind's crazy, but my fragile heart is pure. I be on the road like all day.
Say now we blameless. Third world, so you can't really blame us. For wanting better things, gold on the melanin that was ripped and was chained. Now we chainless, shameless. Bet these people think we brainless for making songs and trying to get famous. Or maybe they afraid of the moves that we made, knowing when we hit the top they'll be nameless, fameless.
Yo, vlog. So we have someone here came to see his music video. Guess who it is? Hey,
It's your boy Ty. How's it going?
it's Ty, guys. So he came to check out his music video. We showed you guys a snippet and it's coming out good. He likes it so far, so it's a thumbs up for us. I can't wait for you guys to see this when it's done. I'm feeling you're all gonna like it. Plus you all like the vlog, so you're gonna like the video. I promise, guys. I promise you're gonna like this one. Yo, so we've come to the end of our vlog, guys. It's really late, so I'm gonna talk as low as I possibly can. By the way, that's the wall of stickies. Yeah, we have a new one up there. I'm gonna show you one sticky at random just now. Let me show you. The universe gives us what we want almost all the time, just at the right time. As usual, guys, if you like this vlog, make sure you subscribe. If you're already subscribed, make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when we post the vlog. It's every day, almost, kinda. But you know we always post the vlog and we always deliver, guys. I'll see you guys on next vlog.